from Facebook comments. So congratulations on winning the profile, guys. And also thanks so much for everybody for participating in the contest. And I'll do another one for the next week. So what you need to do is like the video, comment below it. And in the next video, I'll randomly pick one winner from YouTube comments and one winner from Facebook comments to win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest, and let's now have a look at the charts. First, let me show you some nice reactions to our levels, which I published in the previous weekly trading ideas videos. The first one, which I would like to show you, is on the Euro-Japanese yen. This is a 30-minute chart. There was an intraday level there, and it was based on volume accumulation. This was a rotation where there was the volume accumulation, this was the level, and this was the reaction to the level. Pretty spot on, very nice trade. Another one was on the Australian dollar US dollar. This one was based on those heavy volumes and also on support becoming a resistance setup. Alright, so there was a nice confluence. This was a swing trade based on the daily charts, and the short was somewhere in here. Also very nice reaction, and the setting still continues, so this was definitely a very strong level to go short from. What I also wanted to show you was the reaction on the Standard & Poor's index to our setup. This is a 30-minute chart of the SP 500, and I was talking about this week high and about this week high, and I said that there are a lot of stop loss orders above those areas, above those swing points. A lot of free liquidity here for the big players. And I said that if the price goes to this area, if it hits the first swing point in here, then there will be strong buying activity and the price will shoot past this stop loss area. So the trading idea was to go long from there and quit your position in here, right there. As you can see, the trade was very nice. The price aggressively went past this stop loss area, taking all those stop loss orders which were accumulated in here. Free liquidity for the big players. Price just went past it very quickly. 100% as predicted. So I hope you guys also participated on this nice trade. So that's for the little recap of some of the trading levels which we had in the previous trading ideas videos. And let's now have a look at some new trading ideas. As usual, let's start with intraday trading ideas. Let's have a look at Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and let's go into 30-minute chart. And let's draw a profile in here, alright? So let's draw it like this. And there is one very strong area to go short from. It is this volume accumulation area. As you can see, there was a rotation. Afterwards, there was strong rejection of higher prices. This is indication of strong sellers. And afterwards, those sellers who are accumulating their selling positions there and rejected higher prices in here started this strong sell-off. So I think that when the price comes back to this level, which is at 75.17, I think that the sellers will be defending this level, and when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers will be defending their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards from this level again. By the way, there's also nice confluence of the level. There was a strong reaction, which means it was a strong support, and when the price went past the level, it became a resistance. So not only this is a volume-based setup, but it is also a price action setup. The next strong intraday level is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. Let's go to 30-minute chart. And this one is also based on the volume accumulation setup. By the way, all the strong support and resistance zones which I'm going to show you today will be based on this single setup, alright? It's a very strong setup and I really like trading it. So let's draw the profile over this area, like that. And it will show us where the volumes are the heaviest in the rotation. The same logic as before, rotation followed by a strong rejection of higher prices, followed by strong selling activity. So the level is in here, 68.96, 0.6896. And again, when the buyers push the price to this level, those sellers who were creating those volumes in this rotation are likely to start selling, and they are likely to push the price from this level downwards again. And by the way, there's one more very nice confluence. If you draw the profile over this whole period, this whole wide rotation, then you can see that the heaviest volumes were actually in here, which is another confluence of this level. Alright, heaviest volumes throughout this whole area got accumulated at our level. Alright, so that's for the second intraday trading idea. The last one will be on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's switch to 30-minute chart. And again, the trading idea which I have in here is also based on the volume accumulation setup. So let's draw the profile over this rotation, like this. This is the rotation I'm interested in. And in this rotation, strong buyers who are building up their buying positions to push the price aggressively upwards. So when the price makes it back to this level, this area where those buyers were accumulating their buying positions, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions and they are likely to push the price upwards from this area again. And the exact value of the level is at 33.40, 1.3340. All right. You can also take it 1 pip sooner at 33.41 to make sure that you won't miss the trade. It is also alright to trade it like this. Alright, so 33.40 or 33.41. That's the strong support level. And also in this case, you can see that this level worked as a resistance. When the price went past it, the resistance changed into support. So not only there is the volume accumulation setup, there's also the resistance becoming support setup, which is a price action setup. Alright, so that's for the intraday trading ideas. And let me now show you a swing trade idea, which is on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let me switch to a daily chart. And in here, there's volume accumulation setup, but on a daily chart. So let me switch to TPO calculation and let's use the profile over this whole rotation area, like this. Alright, so now you can see that there were massive volumes accumulated in here in this rotation, and from this rotation, selling activity continued, selling activity from this downtrend, from those strong sellers who are currently pushing the price downwards. So, the heaviest volumes in this rotation were at 75, 64 in here, 75, 64. And I think that when the buyers push the price back to this level, to those heavy volumes, then the sellers who are accumulating their volumes in here, those volumes, will be pushing the price downwards, defending their positions, and they'll try and push the price downwards from this level again. Alright, so that's for the swing trading idea. Let me just move the profile over the whole area so you can have a bigger picture. You can see that those volumes are really massive compared to volumes, for example, in the downtrend. Alright, so this is definitely a significant area to go short from, significant resistance zone. Alright, so that's for the weekly trading ideas for this week, guys. I hope you like them. If you would like to trade with me every day, if you would like to get my trading ideas every day, then you can join my pro trading course. You just go to my website, trader-dale.com, and you go to Dale's Forex course. You scroll down this page, and in here you can enroll in the course. It's a lifetime membership, so it's one-time payment only. What I recommend is getting this one, which is the Forex course plus the volume profile. This is the NinjaTrader volume profile pack. You'll get my custom-made volume profiles for NinjaTrader 8. It's also lifetime license. So in my opinion, this is the best option for you to choose. Currently there is a summer sale, so right now it's also a nice opportunity to jump in a course and start trading with me every day. Alright, so that's for the video, guys. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.